going on, guys? Alright guys, so check it out. We got another unboxing for you. This one is coming to you from the company JDM Muscle. You probably see them on social media. So I just want to say big thanks to them. I know lately companies are a little hesitant on sending me stuff because they know that I'm the kind of person that's going to tell it how it is. You know, if it sucks, it sucks. I'm going to tell you guys. Got the small box. JDM Muscle branding right there. And oh, check that out. Wow. Nice little weight to it. This is just a carbon fiber shift knob. Looks like this should fit the STI very well. Alright, there's that. Nothing really else in the box, just some packing material. Yep. Right over there. Got an invoice. I don't need to see that. Of course, sticker from JDM Muscle. Oh, I know what this is. Now it just hit me. Yeah, I know what this is. Okay. So, we have some very light. These are, check it out. So for the rear end, these are the carbon fiber exhaust finishers. Looks like they come with adhesive on there that you can put. So it looks like it's a very simple, easy install. As long as you prep the surface correctly, you'll be just fine. There's one side, and we got the other one. Of course, they are specific to the right and left side. But yeah, let's go ahead and prep the car, clean everything up, and let's install these. Look, these look pretty sweet. Looks like nice, good quality. Can't see any defects or anything like that. Yeah. All right, take a look at the inside. As you can see, there's adhesive there. Oh, I will say, all good. Let's see how it fits. That's the important part. I had to turn the heater on. It's pretty damn cold out here. But first things first, one thing I did off camera was I cleaned off this area with isopropyl alcohol. When it comes to these lick and stick parts, you always got to make sure that the surface is prepped before you install or adhere anything to that surface. But let's take a look at the back. Of course, I'm just going to peel off. Let me see if you guys can see this. Peel off the adhesive backings on there, and I'm simply going to stick it on. It's really that simple, so I'm not going to get too far in depth with the install. All right, got all the adhesive off of there now. Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to snug it on there. Excellent fit, by the way. Not going to lie. I'm just gonna hold it there for about 30 seconds to a minute or so, depending on how cold it is in your area, and that's about it. And of course, you're just gonna repeat on the other side. I don't know if I said this already, but I did prep the area with isopropyl alcohol. Look at that, perfect fitment, almost. Just gotta hold that in. Just gotta make sure that the adhesive makes contact with the surface of the bumper. Otherwise, you're not gonna get good adhesion, of course, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, so there it is. The carbon fiber exhaust finishers are now on. As you guys know, in my fashion, we'll come back in about a month or two and we'll see if they hold up to the inclement weather that we get here in the Seattle area. So as you guys know, I am daily driving the car, and we also get rain on a daily basis, well, almost daily basis, but we'll see if they hold up. But so far, I am loving the way they look. It's very subtle, but it does make a difference. Now, if you're interested in something with a little more contrast, I would suggest the OEM ones, which I think are a silver-ish color. Those also look great on the car. But once again, big thanks to JDM Muscle for providing these for me. Oh, as far as the fitment goes, they fit great. I don't have any issues with the fitment. If you want stronger adhesive, I suggest just go to the auto store and just buy stronger adhesive. But other than that, no issues with these whatsoever. They fit just fine. These things are so dirty right now. But anyways, just to give you guys a small update, I will be switching back over to the stock wheels. And the reason is the car developed a small or slight vibration on the highway, and I think one of the wheel weights may have fell off. So I'm looking for a place that does road force balancing. Once I find a place, I'll take it over there, or take these wheels off, take it over to the tire shop, get it balanced, and use my stock wheels for the time being. So if you see the stock wheels on the car, that's the reason why. So when I did swap over to the aftermarket wheels, there were a ton of you who said you liked the OEM wheels a lot better. And I'll agree with you that I do prefer the look of the stock OEM wheels. It's not a bad design. I just wanted the performance benefits of running a lighter wheel and tire setup, plus the added benefits of a grippier tire. So to be perfectly honest with you, when the STI came out with 19-inch wheels, I thought it was just too big for the body style. Now that I look at it, I think it really fits the body style very well, and it's grown on me a lot. Please don't mind the missing lug nuts, I'm just trying this out. But yeah, 18s look small on this platform now to me for some reason. And as you can see, my wheels and brakes are absolutely filthy because of all the rain we've been having. But one of the added benefits of running a spacer is that it allows you to clean the caliper much easier, because now you have all this room in between the caliper. Before, a lot of this behind the spoke was really inaccessible with any kind of cleaning tool or brush when you're doing your car wash or cleaning your wheels. And since I had the wheels off, I guess it was just a good idea to clean off the calipers since they were really filthy and nasty. And to be honest with you, I want to turn these calipers orange, and there is a way to do that without painting it. And if you know how, comment down below. And I know when I first put these wheels on, a lot of you guys gave me crap about these wheels because, one, you like stock wheels better. I can totally understand. Oh, my light's still up there. Take this off. A lot of you guys gave me crap because I was running quote-unquote cheap wheels. Well, the reason why I really love these wheels, one, they're durable, they're track tested, they're cheap or relatively cheap, and they're readily available. If I were to bend or damage this wheel, I can just get one on Amazon right now and have it here in a day or two. And these are much easier and cheaper to replace than the stock wheels, which I don't even want to know how much those stock 19s cost. And for those of you guys know me, you know, I've been down that road of expensive wheels. You know, I've had TEs, I've had the CE28s, I've had work wheels, and you know, for me in this time and place where I'm at right now, it's just not for me anymore. You know, it's all about availability and being cost effective. Oh, hey guys, so just over here re-ceramic coating my wheels with some leftover Adams Polishes ceramic coating. This is empty, so it's now all gone, but these were done over a year ago, and it's just good practice to re-ceramic coat them every year, or when the ceramic coating just doesn't work anymore. So previously these were coated with Kamikaze Stance, and now I'm just using some leftover Adams Polishes ceramic coating, which is, I don't know, it's a very mediocre ceramic coating in my opinion, but why throw the bottle away when I can just use it on the wheels? So yes, this is ceramic coating that was made for the paint, but it works just as good for the wheels. All right, in preparation to installing the heat shield, what I think I need to do is install this bracket that came off of the stock downpipe in order to install the Cobb heat shield. I am not sure. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this fits. I think it goes right there. And the Cobb heat shield uses these two mounting nuts or whatever. All right, bracket is on. I already put a 10mm bolt down right here, which I think where it goes. Got another bolt here. Good thing this thing is slidable. All right, got that one hand tight on the side. So Cobb heat shield is now fully installed. My only concern is this thing rattling. If it does, I'm gonna be extremely annoyed, but I don't think it will. It should be just fine. Last but not least, let's go ahead and wipe off all my fingerprints on it so the oil in my hands don't burn into the metal, and we should be done.